class, it is Mrs. Gilling here, and I am making you this lesson 1 video assignment all about the discussion you have coming up here. Before I go into the requirements for that, I wanted to do a joke of the lesson for you. So, what is the top rated flag? The United States flag. It has 50 stars. Get it instead of 5 stars. It's got 50 stars, top rated. All right, let's talk about your discussion prompt. So this is your first discussion board. In lesson 1, I want to let you know kind of what the prompt is and then go over the rubric with you so you know what I'm looking for as you complete this. So first of all, you're going to start by watching this video. It's called Columbian Exchange and Effects of Exploration, U.S. History for Kids. It's a really fascinating video about the Columbian Exchange and the different, some of the good effects, some of the bad effects of it. So please watch the above video and then write at least one complete sentence for each of the following questions. Do not copy something from our website and paste it here. All discussion posts need to be in your own words. And I can't stress that enough in this class. It's really important that you're not just, going onto Google and putting in the prompt and hoping to find a good answer there. I really want your ideas in these discussion prompts. So I don't want you copying and pasting things or copying other people. Put your thoughts and your ideas and the things that you learn here. And definitely don't post things word for word. If there's ever a time where you do find something and you're like, man, this is really good information, and you want to include it, you have to cite that. You'd have to give me the link to the website or book or whatnot where you got that information. So make sure in all the discussion prompts in this class, you're putting your thoughts here, not somebody else's. So after you watch the video, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write at least one sentence where you explain one positive effect of the Columbian Exchange. And again, if you don't know what that is yet, that's okay. You're going to learn about it in the video. The second thing you're going to do is write one negative effect of the Columbian Exchange. So what was one maybe bad thing that came about because of it? And then for question number 3, this is where you're going to have to think a little harder. If you could go back in time and prevent the Columbian Exchange from happening, would you? Why or why not? So think hard on this after watching the video, after reviewing the stuff in the course. If you could go back and not have the Columbian Exchange happen, do you think that'd be a good idea, or would that be a bad idea? And just make sure to explain why or why not. Now here's the rubric, which you'll be graded on in this discussion post. So you get 30 points for writing at least one complete sentence listing a negative effect of the Columbian Exchange. You'll get 30 points for listing a positive effect of the Columbian Exchange using complete sentences. That's really key here, those complete sentences. And then you get a little more points for this next part. You get 40 points for writing at least one sentence explaining your opinion on whether or not you would prevent the Columbian Exchange from happening and why. Now, the key part there is why. If you just say, yes, I would stop it, or no, I wouldn't, you won't get full points. You have to say, no, I wouldn't prevent the Columbian Exchange from happening, and this is why. So make sure that you're including that why part in there. Give us some good opinion on why you feel that way. So that is your first discussion prompt. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me. But other than that, good luck on your video assignments you've got coming up.